Got a war brewing here. Thank you for your service, Army man, in defeating my fire. Hey, hun.
Today we're gonna make Frito pies.
Ooh, I like it. And
Bloody Marys.
I like it a lot. Hey guys, Jay and Cheryl here. So we got the fire on, some chili, water for coffee, some Bloody Marys. Quick little announcement. We're noticing a lot of people doing the Canteen Cup Tuesday, but please read the full description in the video so we can get together and collaborate properly and have better communications. Alright guys, thank you. We got a boil. Hot stuff. Oh, looky. Alright. Wow. We like a hot water. Coffee, baby. Alright. Oh, yummy, yummy, yummy. Thank you guys for joining us on Canteen Cup Tuesday. Good stuff. Anything you want to say?
Nope.
Alrighty. Hey, and Bloody Mary Day. Alright guys, enjoy your day. See ya.